Hi everyone! Today we're going to break down a super important process that happens in every one of your cells cellular respiration. This is how our bodies turn food into energy. Let's dive into the three major steps. But before that, what is cellular respiration? This is the process by which cells break down glucose or sugar and other molecules to produce energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP. This process is essential for all living organisms because ATP powers most cellular activities. The cellular respiration equation is glucose plus oxygen yields to carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Step 1 is glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm outside the mitochondria. Here, one glucose molecule is split into two pyruvate molecules. This step produces 2 ATP and 2 NADH, a molecule that carries electrons to the later stages. The best part, glycolysis doesn't need oxygen. It's anaerobic. Next, we move into the mitochondria for the Krebs cycle. Each pyruvate from the glycolysis is turned into acetyl-CoA, which enters the cycle. In this step, carbon dioxide is released and we get more energy carriers 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, and 2 more ATP. All of these carriers are loaded with energy, ready to go to the final step. Now comes the main event, the electron transport chain, which takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Here, NADH and FADH2 donate their electrons. As the electrons move through the chain, they help pump protons and create a gradient that powers ATP synthase, a machine that makes ATP. Now, at the end of the chain, oxygen picks up the electrons and combines with protons to make water. This step makes around 34 ATP, the most of all three steps. Let's do a quick recap. Glycolysis makes 2 ATP, Krebs cycle yields 2 ATP, and electron transport chain yields 34 ATP. That gives us a total around 36 to 38 ATP per glucose molecule. So, the three major steps are glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. And that ends for our video for today. I hope you learned something today and thank you for listening.